The Pontiac's iconic GTO, affectionately dubbed the GOAT, stands as a monumental figure in the history of muscle cars. Throughout its production from 1964 to 1974, and a brief resurgence from 2004 to 2006, certain GTO variants stand out for their scarcity and desirability. Here's a rundown of some of the rarest Pontiac GTO muscle cars and what made them truly extraordinary. The 1964 Pontiac GTO originally started as an optional package for the Pontiac Tempest. This groundbreaking model emerged as a workaround to engine displacement restrictions. With its 389 cubic inch V8 powerhouse, it outshone the Tempest's smaller engines. The optional tri-power setup further elevated its performance, boasting an impressive 348 horsepower. Often hailed as a definitive muscle car, the 1965 GTO featured a 360 horsepower, 389 cubic inch tri-power V8 engine, propelling it to cover a quarter mile in under 14 seconds. Its dual exhaust system emitted a distinctive growl, solidifying its status as a favorite of its era. Sporting a freshly designed Coke bottle shape, the 1966 GTO emphasized its muscular appearance with stacked headlights and a split grille, setting it apart from its predecessors. In 1967, the Pontiac GTO introduced the innovative Ram Air system. This feature enhanced engine efficiency and performance by funneling cooler outside air directly into the carburetor. The result was improved combustion and increased responsiveness on the road, making the 67 GTO a favorite among car enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessor, the 1968 Pontiac GTO Ram Air 2 featured a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with significant high-performance upgrades. These included improved cylinder heads and a more reactive camshaft, which together enhanced valve movement and overall engine power. 1969 brought us the Pontiac GTO Judge, affectionately dubbed the Judge. This version boasted a Ram Air 3 engine beneath its eye-catching exterior. The Judge not only matched its charismatic appearance with robust performance, but also became an iconic symbol of the muscle car era. The 1969 GTO Judge convertible, with fewer than 100 units produced, epitomizes exclusivity. It blends iconic design elements with the liberating allure of top-down motoring, making it a true gem for car enthusiasts. Renowned for its power, style, and rarity, the 1970 GTO Judge featured the legendary Ram Air 4 engine. This model delivers unparalleled acceleration and performance, standing out as a powerhouse in the muscle car community. Offering exclusivity and the liberating sensation of top-down motoring, the 1970 GTO Judge convertible embodied the spirit of freedom and adventure during the peak of the muscle car era. It's a celebration of open-air driving and muscular performance. The 1971 GTO Judge marked the end of an era boasting a 455 cubic inch V8 power unit. This model symbolized the relentless pursuit of efficiency and performance. Despite tightening emissions regulations, the 1972 GTO maintained its reputation for raw power. It featured a sleek design and a legendary 455 cubic inch V8 engine. The 1973 Pontiac GTO adopted the body style of the Pontiac Le Mans, becoming a rare find with fewer than 500 units produced. This scarcity has indeed left a lasting impact on automotive culture. Built on the Pontiac Ventura chassis, the 1974 GTO combined strength with agility. It boasted a timeless design that has left an indelible mark on car history. After a dormancy of 3 decades, Pontiac revived the GTO nameplate in 2004 with a modern twist. It featured a formidable 5.7-liter LS1 V8 engine and contemporary design cues. The 2005 Pontiac GTO showcased a refined yet aggressive stance with its timeless silhouette and modern updates. It was powered by a 6.0-liter LS2 V8 engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community, and let's drive into the future together.